Doctors Without Borders (MSF) has warned of devastating consequences for civilians in Houthi-controlled areas following recent Israeli airstrikes on Sana'a airport and Hodeidah port. The organization also announced its withdrawal from Marib and Taiz governorates, ending years of providing critical medical care to those affected by Yemen's ongoing conflict. This report has more.
Doctors Without Borders has warned of devastating consequences for civilians in Houthi-controlled areas following recent Israeli strikes on Sana'a airport and Hodeidah port. The organization also announced its withdrawal from Marib and Taiz provinces after years of providing critical medical care to war-affected populations. Marib, which hosts over 60% of Yemen's internally displaced population, had already seen the departure of 35 aid organizations since the truce with the Houthis. MSF handed over its operations there to local authorities, but aid workers say this will likely disrupt vital health services for over 1.5 million displaced people and force the closure of health centers and displacement camps. Since 2019, MSF had delivered free, high-quality care in Marib, offering tens of thousands of consultations, vaccinations, and nutritional support. In Taiz, where conflict and economic collapse have crippled healthcare access, MSF provided over 22,000 prenatal consultations, supported nearly 9,000 births, and treated thousands of newborns and patients over the past year. The organization also responded to cholera and measles outbreaks and distributed aid to flood-affected displaced families. MSF reaffirmed the organization's commitment to supporting vulnerable groups, especially women and children. Despite its exit from Marib and Taiz, MSF continues operations in 10 other provinces, focusing on emergency medical aid and maternal care. MSF urged all parties to safeguard medical infrastructure and ensure unimpeded humanitarian access amid escalating risks to aid delivery.